Well, here we are, Cobbler Creek. I just got the bike out of the car to go on our little ride and have a look around here. This is just unbelievable. You see all that? Litterbugs. Unbelievable. They're not litterbugs, they're bloody vandals. Oh, hello, look at this. Just have a look at all this shit here. Have a look. Look at that. Knives and forks and spoons and God knows what. Okay. Alright. I'll get on the bike. Alright, we made it up the hill. Okay, you can see it's really dry around here. Really dry. And I just want to go down and just see all the water, if there's any water anywhere, just for the animals. It's quite windy. Well, it is warm. But we'll cycle around, we'll have a look. Wow, so dry. Trying not to move my head too much. I've got to get used to having a GoPro on my head. So I've actually got it taped onto my helmet. Yeah, in Australia we've got to wear bike helmets even when you're in a national park. Well, I suppose for your own safety, isn't it? Now I've got to get right up the top of this hill. Alright, I might change my gears and then we'll get up there. See you at the top. Well, we made it up here. Long way to climb. Anyway, we're at the top. Oh wow, where's all the water, man? Oh wow, it's unbelievable. Can't believe this. Oh, let's just stop here for a second and take off my helmet and I'll show you just how dry compared to what it was before. Man, down here, that whole area was just covered in water. There's nothing, not a thing. Wow. Wow. Oh well, we might take a trip down there, see what we can see. What worries me is there's a lot of animals live here. You know, a lot of critters, and quite often over this side here, probably, I don't know if you can see that road, but we'll find koalas or kangaroos along there. They come looking for water. Man. Huh. And over there, that's the spillway. You know, wow. Not a drop. Alright, let's get back on the bike and we'll go around. This is the this is where I had to ride up. No wonder I'm puffing. Had to ride all along here and up the side of this hill to where I am now. Anyway, not a problem. I've got a bike. Got on a bike down here. Alright, let's get on ours. Get moving along, see what we can see. Steep, really. Take it easy going down. This guy's doing alright going up. Doing better than I'll do. Morning. How you going? Wow, it's just so dry. Okay. Wow, I can't believe this. It's just how dry it is. How did that paddock get over there, eh? You know, general public don't have access to this with vehicles. No animals at all. Can't see anything. No snakes, no lizards, nothing. No kangaroos, no koalas. Well, it's a bit hot, I suppose. They're probably hiding in the shade somewhere. Now, do you remember this? What I'll do, I'll post a snapshot here of when Brody and myself were last down here in this part of it. Just here, this was all underwater. Man, wow, can't believe it. I suppose we might as well go down further, right down to the river bed or the dam. Wow. A couple of months ago we would have been underwater right here. Wow. Yep, we would have been underwater for sure. Just saw a bottle down here. What's that? Oh, what's that? A plastic bottle. I'll take it out of here. Someone's been digging here. Yeah. Alright. Just keep walking around, have a bit of a look. See what sort of litter there is here. Wow. That's kangaroo poo, look. Yeah, here we go. Let's have a look. Just let you have a look. Just get my bike to stand up. Alright. Alright, can you see that? Bit of kangaroo poo there. And there's a bit more up here. There it is there. Wow. Can't believe how dry it is. Yeah, well, the kangaroos have been around. I can see quite a few here. Quite a few poos. Oh, wow. Amazing. Although I'm quite impressed in one way, and you know, I thought this would have been littered with rubbish, you know, coming down. Anyway, I'll stop the video now, and I'll if I see something interesting, I'll turn it back on. Well, I've just stopped. I'm way up the creek now. I mean it. Right up the creek. We came from a long way down there, about 1 kilometre, 1.5 kilometres. But the reason I stopped was there was just hundreds of these butterflies. They've all just disappeared. I can hear bees, a lot of bees up here in this tree. Don't know if you can hear that. Just, oh, these butterflies, where, oh, there's some over there. Oh, here we go, there's some here. Yeah, monarch butterflies, there they go. Don't know if you can pick all that up. Heaps of them. There we go, some there by the tree. Try and get close enough. See if you can see him. He's hiding underneath the bark of that tree there. There he goes. There he is. Wow. There were, honestly, there was just, oh, there would have been 10, 15 butterflies just flying around. They've all taken off, maybe because I'm here. I don't know. There's a bit of a fence up there. I don't know, I might walk it down a bit further and just check it out. Alrighty, stay tuned. Well, I made it up. Had to come out way down there. It looks like I should have come up this way, but I come up over there. Still got a long way to go. Get up here to find a track. So, got to push on. Didn't bring a map with me today. Oh, hello. Speak of tracks, here it is. Marvellous. Here we go. Just catch my breath. It's quite a walk. Pushing a push bike and a backpack up the hill. Anyway, I'll have to get back on my bike and get riding around this trail. Not looking forward to climbing that hill, although there is another track there. Could always go down that one. Okay. Hopefully this is all set up with the camera. I hope I will not waste my time. Yeah, we should be good. Okay, helmet's on. Check the brakes. Yep, we're working. Let's go. Actually, I was going to go down there. Oh well. Looks like I'm not. Looks like I'm going up here, but I don't think my little legs are going to get me up there today. Should have my bike in a lower gear. Here we go. There we go. I just can't believe I haven't seen one animal. I've seen a lot of kangaroo dung. All right, let's go. Now, I think that goes down to the spillway. I think I want to be uphill. I don't really want to be riding uphill anymore though. Okay, let's have a look where we are. Oh yeah, it is too. There it is over there. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, here we are. I didn't have the camera on while I'm going up this hill. You just hear me puffing and grunting. Not a good sign. What we'll do now, make our way over there and head down the hill. What was that?